How much heat is absorbed when 125 grams of calcium hydroxide reacts according to the reaction below? When we solve a problem like this, what we're doing is we're going to convert a quantity of a reactant or sometimes product to a quantity of heat that's being either absorbed or released by the reaction. Okay, and to do that, it's actually quite simple. We need to be thinking in terms of dimensional analysis and unit conversions. So we're going to start with a number that we're given, 125 grams of calcium hydroxide. And what we're going to do is a series of conversion factors to convert this quantity of stuff into a quantity of heat. Doing that, we're going to need to eventually have our calcium hydroxide number in moles so that we can convert directly to heat. So we need to convert this number of grams into moles. So grams calcium hydroxide is going to cancel, and we're going to convert that into moles of calcium hydroxide like this. Once we have a number of moles of calcium hydroxide, we can convert that into heat, remembering that we look at the coefficients to help us scale that conversion. So moles of calcium hydroxide can be converted directly into kilojoules by looking at the reaction like this. Okay, so we need to fill in numbers for everything like we normally do. So moles to mass is a molar mass number. We can look this up or calculate it. For calcium hydroxide, it's 74.09 grams per mole. If we look here, the number of moles we're going to involve is just 1 because that's our coefficient. The number of kilojoules involved in this reaction is 65.3, and so I'm going to put that on top, just like this. Our units are going to cancel, grams to grams, moles to moles, and we're going to be left in units of kilojoules. If I plug this through my calculator, what I come up with is 110 kilojoules.